Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on or activate the fast power on Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if your Hisense Smart TV is kind of slow when turning on or when booting, this is what to do. Go over to your settings, go over to system, and in system go to the last option here that says advanced settings. Click on it and you're going to see an option that says fast power on. This is the second option. It says enable TV fast startup feature. Mine is currently turned on, but if you click on it, it's turned off. So let's turn it back on. Just click once. What this does is that once you're turning on your Hisense Smart TV, it takes quite a very short time to turn on, and it's done because of this feature over here. So that's it. It's very easy, and it's a very good feature for those of us who don't like waiting around for a long period of time. So turn it on and you're good to go.